Are you contemplating divorce? Are you wondering if mediation might be right for you? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm a family lawyer. In South Africa, there are three types of divorce: contested, uncontested, and mediated. Uncontested divorce is the quickest and least expensive option. You and your spouse work together to agree on the terms of your divorce. Uncontested divorce proceedings may be finalized in a matter of weeks. However, even the most amicable of partings can become embroiled in conflict as emotions take their toll. If you and your spouse can't agree the terms of your divorce, the divorce may be contested. You will both have to appear in court, often repeatedly, and the court determines your divorce agreement. This can result in high legal costs and considerable emotional distress. It can drag on for years. There is a third way: mediation. Mediated divorces are a middle ground between uncontested and contested divorce. They cost a bit more than uncontested, but are generally resolved more quickly and cost less than a contested divorce. You and your spouse work with a professional mediator to negotiate and reach agreements. Then your attorneys can draft the official settlement for you both to sign, and it is made an order of the court. Mediation can be a particularly attractive solution in high-stake divorces. What are the benefits in this scenario? Divorce mediation offers an alternative method of dispute resolution without protracted litigation. It allows you to resolve disagreements privately with the assistance of a neutral third party. The mediator's role is to facilitate discussions and help you reach mutually agreeable terms. Mediation is voluntary and you must both consent to it. One of the most significant advantages of mediation is its cost effectiveness. Conventional litigation can be extremely expensive. Mediation is more affordable and you have more control over the process. Mediation can significantly reduce the timeline for your divorce, and the process is more convenient as you can schedule sessions around your availability. Another benefit is confidentiality. Mediation ensures that sensitive and privileged information remains confidential, protecting your privacy. By contrast, court proceedings typically involve several parties reviewing confidential information. The divorce hearing may even be public, resulting in private matters becoming part of the public record and precedents. Confidentiality is particularly important in high-stakes divorces, where financial and personal details can be highly sensitive. Instead of sharing personal information with attorneys and a judge, the information can be shared solely between the parties and mediator to arrive at a solution. Mediation maintains respect and cooperation between you and your spouse, which is particularly important when children are involved. It allows you to agree to a parenting plan, a settlement agreement that addresses your specific concerns and the well-being of your children. Mediation reduces the adversarial nature of divorce and allows both parents to have a say in how you will co-parent post-divorce. The mediator will help you manage emotional stress, maintain an amicable relationship, and ensure your children's best interests are protected throughout the process. Mediation allows for more creative solutions to difficult asset division decisions. The mediator will help you identify your respective issues and needs, express concerns, and explore possible outcomes or reach a middle ground. This approach allows for flexibility, which can be particularly beneficial in complex matters where substantial assets or business interests are at stake. Mediation puts you in control of the divorce process as well as the eventual outcome, so you feel more satisfied with the final terms, especially where childcare and assets are concerned. Mediation also eliminates the possibility of power imbalance. If you're concerned your spouse might try to dominate the process. The mediator facilitates fair and equal representation of interests. Mediation has many benefits, but is not suitable for all divorces. It may not be effective if there is a history of domestic abuse or a significant power imbalance in the relationship. Furthermore, if you and your spouse are unwilling to disclose financial information transparently, reaching a fair agreement can be challenging. Despite these limitations, mediation is a valuable alternative for many divorcing spouses and allows for a more amicable, cost-effective, and empowering way to navigate the complexities of divorce. If you're considering divorce and need legal advice, get in touch with me on the number below for a discussion in complete confidence.